Do your lips feel dry again only minutes after using lip balm, no matter how expensive the product is? Many seniors become frustrated by this after 60 because the lips suddenly start peeling, cracking, burning, and feeling painfully tight almost every day. Some older adults even wake up with lips so dry that smiling in the morning feels uncomfortable. And the strange part is, many seniors keep buying stronger lip products while ignoring tiny daily habits that may quietly make dryness worse. Before we continue, press like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and answer this honestly in the comments. What makes your lips feel the driest? Cold weather, indoor air, or nighttime dryness? Now here is something many older adults never hear enough. Lips age differently from other skin. They are thinner, more delicate, and naturally lose moisture faster over time. That means small mistakes after 60 may affect lips very quickly. And honestly, many seniors later realize the lips often become dry before other parts of the face even change. Now here comes the first thing that shocked many older adults: fresh aloe vera gel. Some seniors quietly started using fresh aloe vera on dry lips because the cool gel feels calming on burning, cracked skin. Many older adults say aging lips sometimes start feeling irritated, even from normal foods, cold air, or indoor heating. Now picture this clearly. A senior cuts open a fresh aloe vera leaf and gently applies the clear gel across dry lips during the evening. The lips instantly feel cooler, softer, and less irritated instead of burning and tight. Simple feeling. But many older adults later became surprised because the lips finally started feeling calmer instead of constantly uncomfortable. And honestly, many seniors later realized something important. Dry lips are not always only about appearance. Sometimes the discomfort itself becomes exhausting. Talking too much hurts. Spicy food burns, cold weather stings, even toothpaste may feel irritating on cracked lips. That is why many older adults are now focusing more on supportive calming routines instead of constantly using flavored lip products all day. Now here comes another thing many seniors completely ignored for years: cucumber slices. Some older adults became interested in cucumber because cool cucumber contains water and instantly feels refreshing on extremely dry lips. And honestly, many seniors later became shocked because lips after 60 often start feeling dehydrated much faster than before. Now imagine this clearly. A senior gently rubs a cold cucumber slice across dry lips for several minutes during the afternoon after spending hours in dry indoor air. The lips instantly feel fresher and less rough. And honestly, many older adults later realized cooling routines sometimes help the lips feel more comfortable temporarily during very dry days. Now here comes something many seniors never expect. Indoor air may quietly dry lips faster than outdoor weather sometimes. Heating systems, air conditioning, fans running constantly, dry rooms. All these things may slowly pull moisture away from aging lips without people realizing it. Now picture this clearly. A senior spends the whole evening inside a heated room while the lips slowly become tighter and rougher every hour. By nighttime, the lips begin peeling near the corners. Some older adults later became shocked after realizing the environment itself was affecting lip dryness daily. Now here comes another surprising thing. Many seniors accidentally trap dry, flaky skin on the lips without realizing it. Then lip products sit on top instead of helping moisture reach the softer skin underneath. That is why some older adults quietly started using something extremely simple: a soft toothbrush. Now, important thing first. Gentle care matters here. Mature lips after 60 become more delicate, so rough scrubbing may irritate the lips instead of helping them. But some seniors now gently brush dry, flaky skin very lightly before applying supportive moisture afterward. Now picture this clearly. A senior softly brushes the lips using a clean, soft toothbrush for a few seconds before applying moisture support. The lips immediately feel smoother instead of rough and peeling. And honestly, many older adults later became surprised because products finally felt more effective afterward. But wait, because the next thing in this video shocked many seniors even more. Some older adults later discovered one common kitchen oil may help aging lips look less gray, less dry, and less ashy over time without expensive beauty products. Many seniors became surprised after learning olive oil was not only used for cooking. Some older adults quietly started massaging tiny amounts onto dry lips because aging lips after 60 often begin looking pale, rough, and ashy even after using normal lip balm during the day. And honestly, many older adults later realized lips sometimes lose their healthy color simply because the skin becomes too dry and stressed over time. Now picture this clearly. A senior gently massages a small amount of olive oil across dry lips before bed after spending the whole day in dry air and sunlight. The lips instantly feel softer and less tight instead of rough and flaky. Simple routine. But many older adults later say the lips looked calmer and healthier afterward. Now, here comes something many seniors never notice at first. Aging lips after 60 often become thinner and more delicate, which means tiny cracks and dryness suddenly become more visible under bright light. That is why some older adults now focus more on supportive moisture habits instead of constantly peeling dry skin away aggressively. And honestly, many seniors later became shocked because some lip products made the lips feel smooth only for a short time before dryness returned again. Now imagine this clearly. A senior keeps reapplying lip balm all day, but the lips still feel tight and uncomfortable by evening. Later, the person starts using gentle oil support instead of harsh flavored products constantly throughout the day. Some older adults later say their lips finally started feeling calmer and less irritated. Now, here comes another hidden problem many seniors quietly struggle with: dry lips from inside the body. Some older adults drink very little warm water during the day because they stay busy, forget, or avoid bathroom trips. Over time, the lips may begin looking dry, shriveled, or cracked because aging skin already struggles to hold moisture properly after 60. Now picture this clearly. A senior wakes up during the morning with dry lips stuck together slightly because the body feels dry overnight. Then the lips stay rough the entire day no matter how much lip balm gets applied. And honestly, many older adults later became surprised after simply supporting hydration more consistently during the day. Now, important thing first. Warm water does not magically cure dry lips overnight, but healthy hydration may help support softer, healthier-looking lips over time. That is why some seniors now slowly drink warm water throughout the day instead of waiting until extreme thirst appears. And honestly, many older adults later realized supportive habits often matter more than expensive beauty products. Small changes, repeated daily, and many seniors later became surprised how much healthier their lips started feeling over time. But stay with me because the final thing in this video shocked many older adults more than anything else so far. Some seniors later discovered one tiny habit people do automatically every single day may secretly make dry lips worse within minutes without realizing it. Many seniors later became shocked after discovering one tiny habit may dry the lips faster within minutes without people realizing it: licking the lips. Some older adults do this automatically all day long, during conversations, while watching television, while reading, even during sleep sometimes. The lips feel dry for a moment, so people quickly lick them, thinking it helps. But many seniors never realize saliva naturally contains digestive acids and enzymes. When saliva dries on the lips, the skin may actually become even drier afterward. And honestly, many older adults later became surprised because they spent years accidentally making dryness worse without noticing it. Now picture this clearly. A senior sits quietly during the afternoon while repeatedly licking dry lips every few minutes. At first, the lips feel temporarily softer, but later the lips become rougher, tighter, and more cracked than before. Small habit, repeated daily. And many older adults later realized this tiny routine quietly damaged lip comfort over time. That is why some seniors now focus more on protecting lip moisture instead of constantly wetting the lips again and again during the day. Now here comes something many older adults never expected. Stress and nervous habits sometimes increase lip licking too. Some seniors later realized they touched, bit, or licked the lips more often during stress, anxiety, or concentration without noticing it. Now imagine this clearly. A senior watches stressful news or focuses deeply on something important while unconsciously licking dry lips repeatedly. By nighttime, the lips suddenly feel sore and irritated, And honestly, many older adults later became shocked after realizing how automatic the habit became. That is why many seniors now keep supportive lip care nearby instead of relying on saliva for temporary relief. Now think carefully about everything we covered in this video so far. Fresh aloe vera gel for calming, burning, dry lips. Cool cucumber slices for quick, refreshing moisture support. Gentle, soft toothbrush care for flaky, peeling skin. Olive oil massage for softer, healthier-looking lips. Warm water support throughout the day. Stopping saliva contact that quietly worsens dryness. Simple, supportive habits, repeated consistently. And many older adults later realized healthy-looking lips after 60 usually depend more on gentle daily care than expensive beauty products alone. Now picture this clearly. A senior slowly changes small daily habits one by one. Less lip licking, more gentle support, softer moisture routines, better hydration habits. Slowly, the lips begin feeling calmer and more comfortable again, instead of constantly cracked and irritated. And honestly, many seniors later say the biggest surprise was not beauty. It was comfort. Smiling comfortably again. Talking without pain again. Waking up without painfully dry lips every morning. But stay with me because in the final part, I will explain why many seniors accidentally make lip dryness worse at night without even noticing it while sleeping. Many seniors later became surprised after realizing nighttime may quietly make dry lips worse without them noticing it. Some older adults sleep with the mouth slightly open because of dry air, congestion, snoring, or normal aging changes. By morning, the lips may feel painfully dry, rough, or stuck together slightly. And honestly, many seniors thought this was simply normal aging for years. Now picture this clearly. A senior wakes up early in the morning and immediately feels the lips burning, tight, and flaky before even getting out of bed. Some older adults later realized nighttime dryness was affecting the lips for hours while sleeping. That is why many seniors now focus more on supportive nighttime lip care instead of waiting until the lips already crack painfully by morning. Now think carefully about everything we covered in this video. Fresh aloe vera gel for calming dry, burning lips. Cool cucumber support for temporary moisture refreshment. Soft toothbrush care for flaky, dead skin. Olive oil massage for softer-looking lips. Warm water support during the day. Stopping saliva contact that quietly worsens dryness. Tiny habits. Simple routines. And many older adults later realized healthy-looking lips after 60 usually depend more on consistency and gentle support than expensive beauty products. And honestly, many seniors later say the biggest improvement was not appearance alone. It was comfort, smiling comfortably, eating without burning lips, talking without painful cracking, feeling less embarrassed during close conversations. This is not magic. It is a supportive and consistent process over time. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. These supportive lip care habits may help maintain healthier-looking lips, but they are not guaranteed cures or replacements for professional care. If this video helped you today, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me honestly in the comments, which dry lip habit surprised you the most after 60?